So if you want to import a OBJ file with an MTL companion file and a packed image textures file, like a big texture file like this, I'm gonna show you how to import them into Unity. So in this case we are using Blender we're gonna import a .obj file. In this case I already have the .obj and .mtl file in the same folder, so I'm gonna just import it. So once it's loaded, you have to click here on the option, the top right corner, called Viewport Shading, so you can actually see the textures. Wait a little bit. Okay, so it loaded it perfectly. So click on Texture Paint here in the options, and then Image, Open Cached Render. Then you choose the packed image file, and you go to pack together the textures with the FBX that you're gonna export, right? So now you can just export it. Choose FBX. I'll just use the same folder the other files were in. Okay, so here on path mode, on the right panel options, you choose copy and you click this icon here to embed the textures. I'll use the same name of the .obj file for the FBX, and then I just export it. Okay, so now it has exported the FBX file. Now you just need to import it in Unity. I created this folder, imported objects. I'm just gonna import a new asset here and choose the FBX file, and I'm gonna import. Okay, so now the file is loaded. If you click this like a play icon here to the side of the asset, it opens up the material and the textures and the mesh. So you can see there's no texture applied to the material. It's because you have to load the textures in Unity. So for that you go on the material tab there and click extract textures and choose the same folder that the asset is in, and then it will export the texture from the objects. As you can see here, it's called packed image dash 40000, and then it's applying the texture to the FBX file automatically, as you can read here in the pop-up window. Okay, so it has applied, as you can see, the texture. The material here is no longer blank. It now has a lot of detail in it, and you can drag and drop the object to the scene. It has a green tint in it because of the direction light, so just delete it and create a new light so it doesn't stay all dark. Okay, so with the new light, here's the object with the correct textures. I'm just gonna show it to you so you can see. That's it. So that's how you embed textures to an FBX file and import them to Unity.